Hi guys, my name is Vinod Podzale. Today's date is 23 December 2021, and today's topic is the wrapper classes in Java. So, what is the wrapper classes? Wrapper classes, it is including in the primitive data type and object, that's called as the wrapper classes. In Java, 8 types of the wrapper classes are using. So in the uh, first is the integer. It is used to the different types of the primitive and wrapper classes. So in the primitive data types, using 8, and wrapper classes used in the 8. In the some difference of the into primitive and wrapper classes, only one, the integer and character. It means in the primitive, it is called as the int, and in the wrapper classes we can call the integer, and primitive data type in the using char, and wrapper classes we can call the character. This a little bit difference into the wrapper class and primitive. So it is the in the primitive data type, it is used to the integer, char, short, double, boolean, and byte. These types of the primitive data types and wrapper classes. So it is used to the create the object. That time we have to using the in object. So wrapper classes, it is used to two methods. First is the unboxing, and second is the auto boxing. It is the automatically convert to the in the auto boxing and unboxing wrapper classes. What is the auto boxing? Auto boxing, it is to the convert into primitive into the object. It's called as the auto boxing wrapper classes. And the in auto boxing, it is the cannot be used to the methods value of. In 5.0, we 5.0 we can this new feature. In these features we cannot be used the value of method using the convert to the primitive to the object. Second is the unboxing method. It is the used to the in object to the primitive. It's called as the unboxing method. In this method, value of int value method, it is cannot be used in the 5.0. So new feature, that's why don't need this int value method. And internally, in the internally using the call by value in the this auto boxing and unboxing. These two types of the methods are used. First is the auto boxing. For example, int a is equal to 10, that is the primitive data type. And second, we have to convert into the object. That means string s is equal to string s is equal to string, and new string in the double quote, and you have to declare the name in Vinod. So that types of the auto boxing methods are used. And unboxing method are in the, we have to declare the firstly create the object. That time convert into the this object to the into primitive data type. these types of the two methods are used. And in primitive data type cannot be changed the one time declare the value. We have to not convert, not change. That's why you have to using the object, multiple object, easy to convert the value using the argument. So in the wrapper classes we have to use uses of the wrapper classes. First is the use of the value of methods. We cannot be change the primitive data type. So that is the that's called as the using the convert into the object, and you have to convert the easily to change the value of the original value. And serialization, it is used to the convert into primitive to the object and object to the primitive. It is used to the using the serialization method. And third is the synchronization. In the synchronization, it is used to the work with the multi-threading using the synchronization is. And last is the Java util packages. It is used to the utility of the classes in the wrapper classes are used. And collection framework is the last. And it is the we have to use work with the collection. That time we have to using the collection framework. For example, array, list, linked list, vector, these types of the use in the collection framework. These types of the all about the wrapper classes. And so thank you guys.